I shot a video on the idea of going camping and what happens when a rodent gets into your car on a 2005 GMC Yukon. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what we had to do to fix this car and just kind of show you exactly what we got here. So first of all, we had to do quite a bit of disassembly to get the entire dash out, to get down into where this rodent was at. Now I want to show you, this is the component that's in your car. This holds your air conditioning evaporator, which is sort of the ice cube of your system. And then it also holds the heater core, which is sort of your blowtorch to make you warm in the winter time. So basically we talked about how we have a ventilation system that comes through here just below the windshield, and we can also suck air from underneath the dash, which is called the Recirculate. We've got some videos on that as well. And this rodent actually ate a hole right there to get into the system. And so now as we open this up, we can see some more nesting material. In the last video, we showed some that was in the blower motor. And now this is way deep inside. This part right here is your heater core. I'm sorry, your heater core is over there. This is your evaporator for your air conditioning. This is all the nesting material. And we talked about this car having an odor. And right down there, you can see the tail and the body of the rodent that is now causing all the odors in the car. So this is why you want to try to make sure your vehicle is protected from rodents, because they can also eat the wirings. I hope you found this video informational, and until next time, blessings to you and safe travels.